A Guardsman Group employee who suffered extensive burns in an explosion and fire at a garage facility on South Camp Road in Kingston has died while undergoing specialized medical treatment in the United States. The deceased has been identified as 43-year-old Damion Walters. He reportedly died on Monday at the Specialist Burn Center in Georgia, several weeks after sustaining third-degree burns in the May 27, 2026 incident. Walters' death brings to 2 the number of fatalities connected to the explosion, which occurred at a garage adjacent to the headquarters of Guardsman Group and its subsidiary, Beryllium Limited. According to reports issued after the incident, 4 men were injured when an explosion was followed by a fire involving a vehicle on the garage property. The circumstances immediately preceding the blast have not been fully disclosed. The injured individuals reportedly included a garage manager, a member of the company's operations team, a welder, and an air conditioning technician. An external contractor performing work at the garage was the first person confirmed dead, succumbing to his injuries shortly after the explosion. Walters and 2 other men survived the initial incident but suffered third-degree burns. Injuries of that severity destroy the full thickness of the skin and can require prolonged hospitalization, surgery, skin grafting, and specialist intensive care. The explosion also reportedly damaged vehicles at the location. Emergency personnel responded to the scene, and the injured men were taken for medical treatment. Because of the severity of the injuries, arrangements were made to transport the surviving victims overseas for advanced burn treatment. 2 of the men were initially flown from Normal Man International Airport to the United States aboard an air ambulance, while the third continued receiving treatment in Jamaica before reportedly being transferred abroad. Specialist facilities in California and at the JMS Burn Center in Atlanta, Georgia, were identified as treatment centers for the injured men. Walters remained under specialized care but ultimately succumbed to his injuries on Monday. His death represents a second devastating loss arising from an incident that has affected the victims' families, their colleagues, and the wider Guardsman organization. No comprehensive public update has yet been provided on the medical condition of the remaining injured workers. The companies have not yet issued a detailed public statement outlining the findings of that investigation or announcing whether additional safety measures have been introduced at the garage facility. Damion Walters was 43 years old. He is the second person confirmed dead as a result of the May 27 explosion and fire on South Camp Road. Subscribe today, turn on notifications, and never miss the stories that matter most. Jamaica News Now, your Highlands, your news, right now.